Welcome to PMN Online. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to transfer money or crypto from PayPal to Binance account. If you've been looking for a way to move your funds or digital assets from your PayPal wallet over to your Binance exchange, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we are going to cover two main methods for transferring assets from PayPal to Binance. The first method is specifically for those of you living in the United States. And the second method will cover how to do this if you reside outside the US. Transferring crypto from PayPal to Binance, US residents. If you are based in the United States, you have the option to transfer specific cryptocurrencies directly from your PayPal account. First things first, you need to log into your PayPal account. You can do this either through the PayPal website or directly within your PayPal mobile application. The steps are identical for both platforms. Once you are logged in, look up toward the top of the screen and click on the section labeled Finances. After you select Finances, you will need to scroll down a little bit. Here, you should see a list of accepted coins that you are currently able to transfer out to an external wallet, such as your Binance account. Keep in mind that the list of transferable coins can change depending on your specific state or location. For example, right now, I only see 5 currencies available for transfer. If you see Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, or Ethereum listed, you can proceed. Let's say you want to send Ethereum. You would first need to ensure you hold that asset in PayPal. If you don't, you might need to click on the currency, such as Ethereum, and then select Buy to purchase that crypto inside your PayPal wallet first. Once you own the crypto you wish to move, you can initiate the transfer out of PayPal. To do this, locate and click on the 2 small arrows, usually near the balance or asset details. This should give you 2 options, receive or send. You want to choose Send. Now, we need to prepare your Binance account to receive the funds. Switch over to Binance and log in to your account. On the Binance platform, you need to click on the Deposit button. After clicking Deposit, select the option that says, I have crypto assets, and then proceed by clicking Deposit Crypto. For the next step, use the search bar labeled Search Coin to find the exact cryptocurrency you are sending from PayPal. In our example, that's Ethereum. Crucially, you must select the correct network. For Ethereum, make sure you select the Ethereum network, which is often listed as ERC20. Please read the warnings carefully here, because if you select the wrong network, your funds could be permanently lost. Once the network is confirmed, your unique wallet address will be displayed. This is your destination address. Click on it to copy the address. Now, go back to PayPal. Remember, you clicked the 2 arrows, selected Send, and PayPal will prompt you to enter the destination wallet address. Paste the Binance wallet address you just copied into this field. Double-check that the network you selected in Binance matches the network required by PayPal for this transaction. After confirming the address and the amount, you can complete the transfer. That is exactly how US residents can send crypto from PayPal to Binance, transferring funds for non-US residents via RTM. If you live outside the United States, the process is different, as direct crypto transfers from PayPal might not be available. For this method, we will use an intermediary service called RTM, which is a popular exchange platform. First, you need to create an account on RTM. Since RTM is a recognized exchange site, you will need to verify your account using your personal information, such as uploading a photo of your ID and a matching photo of yourself to complete the verification process. After your RTM account is fully verified, you can proceed to add funds from your PayPal account. Look for the Add button on the RTM dashboard and select Start Now. This will take you to the funding page where you can add money from PayPal to your RTM account. You will see options showing your PayPal balance. Select PayPal and choose the amount you wish to transfer from PayPal into your RTM account. For example, if you transfer $100, the platform will show you how much you are expected to receive after any fees. You will need to authorize the transaction and likely link your PayPal account details securely. Once the money has successfully landed in your RTM account, you need to initiate a withdrawal. Go back to the main menu and click on Withdraw. Then select Start Now. Here, you will select Binance Pay as your withdrawal destination. You can then send the fiat currency or stablecoin balance from RTM directly to your Binance Pay wallet. Select the amount you wish to withdraw, for instance, $100. Then click Continue. You will need to connect your Binance account to RTM to ensure the funds are routed correctly to your Binance Pay wallet.
Before we hit that final confirm button, stop for a second. We need to do a quick reality check on the fees. Many people comment that they received less money than they sent. Here is the math you need to know as of now. PayPal usually charges a conversion fee if you're moving between currencies, plus a transaction fee. And if you're using the blockchain network, there is a gas fee there as well. So if you're transferring $100, do not expect $100 to land in your Binance spot wallet. It might be closer to $97 or $98 depending on the traffic.
Once completed, the money will be available in your Binance Pay, and you can then use it within the broader Binance ecosystem.
Now, this next point is the most important part of this entire video. If you're using P2P to move this money, listen carefully. There is a scam going around right now where a buyer will send you a screenshot that looks exactly like a PayPal payment receipt. They will tell you, "I sent the money, release the crypto now." Do not trust screenshots. Anyone can edit an image in Photoshop. Always open your actual PayPal app or log into the browser separately. Only release your assets when you see the balance actually sitting in your account. If the money isn't there, do not release the crypto, no matter how much they rush you. Better to be safe than sorry. Finally, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you followed all my steps but your transaction is stuck on pending or gets declined immediately, here is the likely reason. Check your account names. PayPal and Binance have updated their security algorithms. If the name on your PayPal account does not match the verified name on your Binance account, for example, if one uses a nickname and the other uses your legal ID name, the transfer will often be flagged and blocked. Ensure both accounts verify the same identity to avoid your money getting stuck in limbo for 24 hours.
Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to transfer money or crypto from PayPal to Binance account. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.